and welcome to another video. I'm Pavel Baturin, landscape photographer living in Serbia, and welcome to my channel. A couple of days ago, I had my birthday, and today I want to talk about gifts for landscape photographers. If you want to make a nice gift to someone who really into landscape photography, watch till the end. I will answer this question in the end of this video. It was a really busy week, and now I'm a little bit in a rush. I have a lack of time because I'm too busy. That's why today I'm visiting the most difficult location in country, a park in a big city in the middle of Sunday. And you know what it means? That means I'm not alone at this place today. Not a big deal. That means I will just try to avoid any human beings to appear in my frames. That's it. Just an amazing piece of tree. Look at these roots. And probably in different light could be a nice shot, but not today, not now. Just take a look at this tree. Take a look on all these roots, on these shapes, and all this just wild beauty. It's just freaking amazing. It looks like a beard of Cthulhu, or I don't know what. Probably I find my first shot for today. Now I will try to get close-up shot of these roots formations, all these curves of this Cthulhu beard. The most interesting part of this tree is ruined by graffiti. I don't know what is the point to draw graffiti on the tree, but so sad.
You know what time is it? It's time to take a look on the shot of this tree.
I find a little pond here, and in this pond in the middle, probably you cannot see this on this camera, but I got this blooming lily or lotus. I have no idea what the real name of this flower, but this is a really beautiful flower. I will try to take a shot, but to achieve this I definitely need to switch my lens. For this shot I need 230 millimeters. Probably now you can see this flower on my camera. I'm pretty far away, so only my 230 millimeters would help me to take this shot. You know, even 230 millimeters is not enough. Let's find something else. Yet another interesting, weird and beauty finding. Some sort of monument but actually I have no idea what it is. Why am I in such a rush? Why do I have no time to visit different locations? Because as you understand, this park is only in 10 minutes away from the place I live. And I choose this particular place because of it, because it's only 10 minutes. The reason for that, as you may understand, I'm not a full-time landscape photographer. I have to feed my family. And this sentence leads us to amazing plug for today's sponsor, which is Baturin Group, my design studio. If you need to build a website or your company needs a logo, a branding design, you know what to do. The link is in the description below. So, what is the best gift for enthusiastic landscape photographer? Is it any gear? Could it be some fancy brand new camera, very expensive lenses, or some accessories, photography backpack, or new drone, or anything like that? Try to guess. If you are curious, watch till the end. Please, it's very important for the algorithm. Woodland photography is all about this three-dimensional light. Forest itself gives this shadow and makes this light not that harsh. And take a look on this woodland beside me. It's just crazy amazing. And unfortunately, YouTube couldn't transfer the smell of this place. It's just beautiful smell of pines and grass and all this forest. It feels like you can eat this air by the spoon. Blooming field, sort of in the middle of pine forest. So I'm trying to get together in the frame, in one frame, the blooming flowers and pines. And just take a look at this tree. Giant oak. It's a freaking crazy giant tree. The king of the forest. Even if I not succeed with the shot of this tree, it doesn't matter. I just having fun. what is the best gift you can give to someone you love and who is really into landscape photography? And my answer is time. Time is a real treasure. Please give her or him time to go out and take some shots. This is the best gift you can give. Now, thank you for watching, and please consider to subscribe to my channel, or at least hit the like button. I really appreciate that. Thank you very much, and see you next time.